cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an influencer unboxing video. Yes, I still receive boxes because I enjoy reviewing products for free. This is the Anastasia Beverly setting powder. Now the only sad thing is I'm tired of receiving setting powders. Oh my gosh, powders to review. It's annoying. But anyhow, I need some foundations, okay? Send me some foundations, some lipsticks and stuff like that. Maybe a liquid eyeliner, but I'm tired. I have too much setting powders. Really? How much setting powders do you need, honey? How much? I don't sniff Coke. So how much packaging came like this? Cute gold packaging. It's really cute. I love it. And this is how it looks. And I got the Deep Peach loose setting powder. Oh yeah, sealed, brand new. I haven't used it yet. Like I said, I have too much setting powder. But maybe over this weekend, Friday, I'm gonna use it. Try this out and see how it works. Yes, I might do a video, make a tutorial video, get ready with me video while I get ready to go out and celebrate my GPA. I'm going to finalize. So yeah, that's how it looking. This is how much ounces? This is a 0.9 ounces. Okay, it's a pretty big container. A lot of setting powder. Cute. I love the packaging. That's all I received, and then the box came like this, telling you like, you're so excited that you're being selected to try a new loose setting powder, a lightweight superfine powder formula that goes on smoothly as it absorbs oil, minimizes shine, and leaves you with a flawless matte finish. Yeah. You know, all of them do the same thing. No need to review. Setting powder is setting powder. What can I say? What can I say? But anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. And see you again to my next video, darlings. Bye. Happy holidays.